Excuse you.
That
on me. Okay.
I need my blankie.
It's like 9:30. And we didn't go to bed till like, what time?
Like
2.
Mm-hmm.
So we only got like 7 hours, which is a lot. But I'm still tired. And we look really bad right now. She's trying to multitask. You know, we just did a song, but we didn't like it. So we took it off. We have another song that we made. Can you like talk?
Yeah, hold on. No. This is important. Kim. This is important.
Hurry up! That's good. She told me. Connor. It could be Connor McCracken. It could be Connor Frosty. It could be any Connor. Yeah. Bad memories. Shay, sorry. Yeah. No. No. So this is our really cool handwriting.
Oh God, Kim. We're not gonna get any views.
That's a riot. I'm a hairy human.
Coming to the gate.
Can I go hair like this? I'll accept. You just flip. You just flip. Or you use your hand. You use your hand.
Or
you use
your
your
whole
body.
body.
What? Don't do that one. You have to see the Broadway show.
I have to see it.
Wicked.
I didn't see it.
Me neither.
You did. Which day?
I saw Legally Blonde and Hairspray. And I met Lance Bass. You know, he's gay. But really not. Yeah, okay. So, we're going to see if our videos are uploading because they're taking a while. Alright, bye.
Come on!